Welcome back, and now we're going to be talking about the triple stroke roll. I think this one is more ancillary than it is fundamental, but it's still a good thing to practice because it does have its uses. The best way to practice this and learn it is the same way we did with the double stroke roll. Take your hand, let the stick bounce 3 times as relaxed as you can, and then pick it up. Right now, you want to get used to the feeling of the stick bouncing off of the pad, drum, whatever you're playing on. That's important. Again, I said this is going to be a running theme throughout these lessons, is that the stick needs to bounce. And then we can add in other things like our wrist, and our fingers, and our forearms. Okay? I think it's more important to focus on letting the stick be relaxed and bouncing than thinking too much about, am I using too much wrist? Do I have enough arm moving? That's not as important as the stick bouncing 3 times. Okay? So there you go. There's your triple stroke roll. And again, it's good to practice all of these last 3 together. The multiple bounce stroke, buzz, crush roll, your double stroke roll, and your triple stroke roll. You can practice them in tandem, and you can make a lot of improvement in the way that you feel the bounce of the drum as you're playing rolls.